Hello, kindergarten friends. Mr. Andrew here, and today we have a fun activity that you can do at home with things you find around your house. We are going to make slime.
Slime! Slime! Woohoo!
These are the ingredients you will need. Shaving cream, Elmer's glue, baking soda, saline solution, and some Crayola paint for coloring, or you can use food coloring. Also, some measuring spoons and a third measuring cup. First, you'll add the whole bottle of Elmer's glue. I think it's 2/3 of a cup, or maybe 8 ounces. 7.625 ounces. Nice. Then 1.5 tablespoons of saline solution. Okay. And then half. Cool. Okay. And then a half teaspoon of baking soda. A little bit more. Yeah, that's pretty good. Cool. Then 2/3 of a cup of shaving cream. What color should we make this slime?
How about blue?
Blue. So while you're mixing these ingredients together, you can start to add a little bit of color. Keep going.
This slime's gonna turn out like a blue sky blue. Mine is a purple flower. You can do the slime whatever color you like.
Slime is really fun to make, super fun to play with, but don't get it on the carpet. It's starting to come together.
I did the best swirl.
Good. It starts to come together and it's hard to use a fork or a stir stick. Then you can use your hands. And just mix it up.
And the more it mixes, the more it comes together. Should we add more color? Only if you want it to be a dark blue. This blue is sort of like pastel. I don't like it. Yeah, I like it too.
Let me.
So the more you mix it, the more it sticks to itself. And it'll get all the pieces off your hand.
You can. This is a fun creation that you can make with your family. You can shape it into whatever you want.
Thanks for hanging out with us, Kinders. We hope you're able to make your own slime. Be very careful. We'll see you next time.
Bye!
Bye!